It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C here, to simplify expressions using the product of powers property. Before we get started, just a few things to go over. First, when we use this property, our bases must be the same. In this example, our bases are the variable a. They're the same, we can use this property. Not the same, we can't. Two, the operation must be multiplication. As you can see here, these expressions or these terms are being multiplied. If it's not multiplication, this property doesn't work. And finally, our shortcut for this property is to add the exponent. So I'm going to write this particular one out a little longhand, and then we'll do the rest in our head. So as we discussed, we have variable a. Our exponents are 4 and 6. Using this property, we are going to say a gets raised to the power of 4 plus 6. Well, we can simplify this, so we're going to go ahead and do that. So our simplified expression ends up being a to the 10th, and that is all. Next example, we have n times n to the power of 7th. If you've watched my videos before, you know us math folks do not like writing extra numbers. There's a secret 1 exponent on this n. The reason we do that is because n to the power of 1 is just n, so it's a little cleaner not to have the exponents. But to simplify, we need to know the ones there. So all we're going to do is we're going to add 1 and 7 together. When we do that, we get n to the power of 8. All right, next example, we have w to the power of 3 times z to the power of 5. These bases are not common. We cannot simplify this expression. It just stays as is. And our last example involves a number. We have 2 to the power of 5 times 2 to the power of negative 2. So we keep our base of 2 and we say 5 plus the power of negative 2 here, or just negative 2. When we do that, we get 2 to the power of 3, or 2 cubed. Your teacher might be fine with this answer. The most accurate answer is going to be 2 cubed is what? It's 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So I would want to see 8 as the answer, but technically 2 cubed is also a fine answer. And that is how you apply the product of powers property to exponents. Please subscribe for more math videos. Till next time, remember, you've got this.